convention center, then we're only 8 persons.
We are only 8 here. These are the early birds. You count nga, you count?
1,
Okay, and there's Ma'am Christina just arrived here.
2, 6 kami pa.
Oh, makeup daw, makeup. Okay. It's me, Slash. Kuha ba ako? Here's Shiana and the mama, Queen. Hello, Shiana. Okay, stay there, Dalia. Isley. Dumarami. There are the other. Kalat-kalat pa sila. This is the Bag Convention Center. The parade will start at 8 o'clock.
Kaya yung
Kalat-kalat pa. Dito yung mga... All here now. It's 6:30 in the morning and the parade will start at 8 o'clock. Still foggy morning. Miss Jonaline, anong pangalan niya? Okay, we are here now at the convention center. Ginaline, nasan ka? Ito si Jonel, ang ganda-ganda, oh. Next is Isley also. Yung sa hair mo, patingin nga. Ayos na yan.
Ano natin mamaya yung hair mo?
Girls, look here. Why are you shy? Don't be shy, girls.